Hello and welcome to Captain Bob. Today I'm going to show you how you can make the 4 engine instruments on a flight simulator.
Captain Bob, he's my best friend and he should be yours too.
In this video, I'll show you how you can build the actual instrument, and in the next video, I will show you how you can connect these to the flight simulator with MobiFlight and an Arduino. For a single instrument, you will need 2 servo motors, an inch of 18 gauge wire, in my case I'm using galvanized steel, and the parts designed by Alvaro Alea, which include background, base, bezel, chamfer, then print 2 needles, and 2 servo horns. We can start off by gluing or pasting the chamfer to the bezel right here. You can use any glue you would like, and then you can also put a glass piece in between them if you'd like to have glass. I'll do the glass later, so I won't show you how to do it in this video. You can put these 2 pieces together with glue, and then it makes a nice bezel. And then now we can get half an inch of galvanized steel wire or similar, and glue them onto the servo horn cover. Now you can simply poke them through right here, and then glue them. I'm just using crazy super glue, and you put a few dots around the base where they join, and then one on the bottom here. While these are drying, we can install the servos. Now we can simply put these servos onto the gauges right here. You can put the servo horn on so that it correlates with the servo's movement as it would on the gauge. So half of its movement about here would correlate to about half of the servo's travel. Now we can simply screw the servo horn on, and do the same for the other servo. Now we can screw these servos into the base. You can choose to screw it in like this or like this. It's really up to you. I prefer to screw it in like this. The image files included with the instruments were DWG files without the reference Photoshop image. So if you put them through a little bit of editing, they would come out to look like this. But I decided to start from scratch and make my own photoshopped instrument placeholder or background images. In the description below, I will attach both a link to the picture you can print out to 100% scale, a picture that's edited that'll fit better on most pictures, and a file to the GIMP configuration. I'm choosing the right of the 3, and so we can cut it out, put a protective layer over it, and put it on our instruments. For this, you can glue one of the sides to the plastic backing, and then have it fit nicely in here. After you have them glued, you can poke the servo holes. So now you can put 2 of these over the servo horns, like this. And then place the bezel and the instrument over it. I find it helpful to lay it sideways and then connect to the dots. I found that it doesn't look too bad if you have normal small screws and you paint the head black, and it kind of blends in against the background. versus the silver screws. So if you just Sharpie over the head, then it'll look like, and then it'll blend in. Right now I'm just screwing it onto the base, and then this will help it be stable and stay on. Right now we can add the little needles here, and you can just slip them on over the wire. Then when the servo horn cover moves, so does the needle. So just do the same thing on the next arm too. Now I can just simply put a dot of glue over the needle, and then we can cut the piece of wire that connects to the needle. Now you can simply put a bezel over it and install it in your sim. Now that you've built the 4 engine instruments, you can like and subscribe, and look out for the next video and videos like it. I'll leave a link to them over here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.